Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple guide on how you can quickly find all the shared audio files in a chat on the Telegram app for PC. If you've ever been scrolling back endlessly to locate an audio track or a voice note, this update makes the process much faster and organized. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, go to the chat where you remember the audio file was sent. This could be a private conversation with a friend, a group, or even a channel. When you find the chat, click on it to open the conversation window. Next, at the very top of the chat, click on the chat's name. This could be the person's name, the group title, or the channel name. Once you click it, a new menu will slide open on the right side of your screen. This menu is the information panel for that chat, and here you can explore everything that has been shared. Inside this info panel, you'll see several categories such as media, files, and more. Look carefully for the section labeled Audio Files. Go ahead and click on it, and in just a moment, Telegram will show you every audio file that has been shared in that specific chat. This includes songs, podcasts, voice messages, or any other type of audio file that has been uploaded. From here, you can easily browse through the list and select the one you're looking for. Telegram presents them in a neat, scrollable view, making it simple to locate what you need without hunting through old messages. You can play the files directly, save them, or open them in your preferred player. That's all it takes to find shared audio files in a Telegram chat on PC. With this updated feature, managing your conversations and keeping track of audio content is now more efficient than ever. So the next time someone shares a track or an important recording, you'll know exactly where to look.